Hello everyone and welcome to Blender tutorial series. In this video I am going to discuss about edit mode. In edit mode we are going to deform the object and make it into any useful object like spaceship, house, tree, terrain, etc. First we have to go to layout tab, then we have to see whether 3D viewport is selected, and then we have to go to object mode, then to edit mode. Alternatively we can use tab to toggle between object mode and edit mode. Now we will unselect this cube object. For that I am going to press Alt A. This cube object is unselected. Now if I have to select this vertex, I have to go here and press vertex select and click on any vertex. Like this we can select different vertex. If we have to select multiple vertex, then we have to click on one vertex, then hold the shift and click on another vertex and shift click. Like this we can select multiple vertices. Well, now I'm going to unselect it again, Alt A. Now I have to select the edge. So alternatively I can use 1, 2, 3 also for vertex, edge and face selection. Now I'm going to select the edge, shift click, shift click. Now you can see I have selected three vertices on three edges on the cube. Now face, the same thing. Select this face, select another face, select third face. Vertex are something where two or more edges meets. Now you know how to select vertex, edges and face. Let's see how to move these vertex, edges or faces. Now we are going to click on move icon or alternatively G and select the vertex. Well, I'm going to press 1 and select the single vertex, and you will get this axis. We can move this vertex in any direction, in the Y direction or X direction or Z direction. Well, I can select this arrow and drag it like this, or in the Z axis by holding the arrow, or in X axis. Alternatively you can press G, and to move in X axis press the X. It will show the red line, a pinkish red line, and you can drag the mouse. And now to move in Y axis press G key and Y to move in the Y axis. Now to move in the Z axis, G and Z and drag the mouse. You can see the vertex is moving only in the Z direction. If you want to move the vertex in X and Y direction and not in the Z direction, then you have to press G and shift Z. You can see green and red line on the screen. You can move it in X and Y axis, not in the Z axis. It is not moving in the Z axis. Well, alternatively, if you want to move the vertex in Z and Y axis, then you have to press G and Shift X, then it is going to move in Y and Z axis. You can see it here. Well, the same keys we can use to rotate and scale. Now I'm going to unselect it. Now we will see how to rotate it. Rotate the faces or edges. Well, I'm going to select. I'm going to press key 3. Now I'm going to select the face, and to move it, press G, and I'm going to move it in Z axis. So press the Z and drag the mouse. And to move it in X axis, G, X. It is moving in X axis. Well, now if I have to rotate this face, what we have to do, press on this gizmo and select this red or green or blue color gizmo and drag it for the appropriate rotation in that axis, that appropriate axis. Well, we can also rotate this face by pressing R key and X. We can see it is rotating around X axis. Well, R and Y, it is going to rotate around Y axis. Well, now scale. Now already we have selected the face. Now I am going to increase the size of the face. I am going to press S key and drag it. It is going to increase the size as you drag it. And also alternatively, you can use this gizmo, a red one for X axis and green one for Y axis, blue one for Z axis. And if you use this gizmo, then you can do all the operations like grab, rotate and scale all at once.